You don't have to buy anything that you don't want to. That's right, you're in choice. But what is the number one objection or excuse as to why people don't buy essential oil kits from doTERRA or other network marketing companies for that matter? The problem is money or moolah. People either say they don't have the money, they can't afford a kit, or that a kit is too expensive. The solution involves a simple 3-step process that factors in your belief system around how money really works. Step 1. Let's define what money means. Merriam Webster defines money as something generally accepted as a medium of exchange, a measure of value, or a means of payment. This includes officially coined or stamped metal currency, paper, or digital dollars in your bank account. But you already knew that, but I was just making sure we're all on the same page because it builds on step 2, which involves us keeping it real about how money is perceived with products and services. The reality is that something is only worth as much as you're willing to pay for it, and if you really want something bad enough, you'll find the money to pay for it, even if it means you have to beg, borrow, or steal. Oh snap. Now I don't, encourage or endorse stealing of anything, but some people do it as a last resort, or maybe first resort. People are full of objections or excuses, even when they know what to do and when money is not a concern. See also maybe healthy eating versus eating junk food, especially during holidays or birthdays or maybe anniversaries or... Hey, this is a no judge zone, I'm just saying. Some other common objections include, this just isn't the right time, I need to think about it, can I even do it, and does it actually work? Step 3 builds on the first 2 steps and involves us talking about network marketing companies. And I know all the anti-MLMers out there are like, let's see what Lance has to say now. Now, when it comes to Wallace Advocates and doTERRA or distributors and other network marketing companies, it's important not to use this one word since it can have different interpretations. This word is buy. For example, buy now or buy now can have a couple different interpretations, but there could be more, and potentially with negative connotations. A better word to use is invest. That's right. For example, I invested in an essential oil kit from doTERRA in November of 2013 because it offered natural solutions for my mental, emotional, and physical health in a way that was safe, effective, and affordable compared to synthetic or even traditional options. I continue to invest in doTERRA products till this day through the Loyalty Rewards Program or LRP because it allows me to be prepared for life's little emergencies by having natural solutions within arm's reach. That's right, on a monthly, weekly, and daily basis. This has saved me time, money, and frustration as a result. Some other helpful tools that I use include Mint to manage the money coming in and out from my bank accounts more transparently, Tax Act to do my taxes easier, Stash app to invest in fractional shares of companies, and the Chase Unlimited Freedom credit card to pay for larger things over time with 0% interest as long as I make the minimum payments each month. Some other things to consider is splitting the cost of a kit with family, friends, or coworkers. You can also save up for a kit, maybe 1, 2, or 3 months in order to do that. Or you can host a class and so have the purchases of other people help pay for your products in part or in full. And these are 3 really good ways to also make sure that you can afford a kit or so that it brings down the cost so it's more subsidized. But why does this all matter though? Well, criticizing others is like bad breath. Easy to detect on others but hard to detect on ourselves. This also goes for what objections you use when you're deciding whether or not to buy a cup of coffee, buy food at a restaurant, buy a vacation package, or invest, that's right, in an essential oil kit from a reputable company with quality products that can be third-party tested and verified to make sure that you get the best results each and every time. And you also want to factor in that you're getting a kit from somebody that you know, like, and trust, and has good response time. In conclusion, you don't have to buy anything that you don't want to. That's right, you're in choice. But I just want to encourage you to think about what you're investing in and if you're getting the emotional, physical, or financial return that you're looking for, or if there's a better option out there. Speaking of money, DARS, D-A-R-S, is an online strategy game that uses the blockchain digital currency of Ethereum to build different businesses and compete with others on a leaderboard. In other words, it's kind of like the game SimCity, but you can actually earn money based on your results. You can learn more with the link in my description below. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, or check out all the links in the description below for anything that I talked about in today's video, and I'll see you in the next video.